Once again, good morning to all. Today we are going to study chapter number 12, electricity. Chapter 12, electricity. Now, in this chapter, the first term which you have to study is electric charge. The first term which you should know for this chapter is electric charge. What do you mean by electric charge? So the definition of electric charge is it is a physical property of a matter or substance which causes it to experience a force when placed near other matter or substance. So what is electric charge? It is a physical property of a matter or a substance which causes it to experience a force when placed near other matter or substance. Means every matter or a substance is having one inherent property called by name as electric charge. And because of this property, electric charge, any substance can either attract or either repel the other substance by one force, either a force of attraction or either a force of repulsion. So that inherent property which is already inside, okay, a matter or a substance which is inside a matter or a substance which is helping a body to experience a force. It can be a force of attraction or it can be a force of repulsion when placed near other matter or substance. So, using this definition of electric charge, next comes types of electric charge. Types of electric charge. So what are the types of electric charge? So you can see here the types of electric charge. Types of electric charge. There are basically two types of electric charge. The first one is called by name as positive charge. Positive charge. And the second one is called by a name as negative charge. Okay, this much is clear. Is this much clear to
Yes,
all?
ma'am. Yes,
There are
ma'am.
basically two charges, positive charge and negative charge. Now, how positive charge any body will acquire and how body will acquire negative charge. So, next coming up after this, theory of electrification, theory of electrification or charging of a substance. If you charge any substance, then charging of a substance is also called by name as electrification, theory of electrification. What do you mean by this and how you can charge any substance? So charging can be done by a method called frictional method. Okay, frictional method means by rubbing one body on the other body, charges can be produced in a body. Okay, so electric charge can be produced on any substance by a process of rubbing. So this whole process of the production of charges is called theory of electrification. So charges can be produced on any body by process of rubbing. Now, a body which when you are rubbing the two things, the body which will be gaining, there will be transfer of electrons taking place. Charges can be produced on any body by process of rubbing. On rubbing, one body over other body, electrons will transfer. Electrons will transfer from one body to another body. And in this process of transfer of electrons, body will acquire a charge. One body will lose electrons and one body will gain electron. In this whole process, one body will lose electrons and other body will gain electrons. The body which will be losing the electrons, the body which will be losing electrons will acquire positive charge, will acquire positive charge. The body which is gaining electrons will acquire negative charge. Why is it so? Why it is so? The body which is losing electrons is acquiring positive charge and the body which is gaining electron is acquiring negative charge because the body which is losing electrons On that body, the negative charges are becoming less because we know electrons are having negative charge. So negativity of that body is decreasing. So body is becoming what? Positive. Body is becoming positive. And the body which is gaining electrons means more negative carriers are coming on the body. So body will be having negative charge. With charge, body will be having negative charge. So likewise, there are two type of charges. One is called by name as positive charge and the other is called by name as negative charge. Clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
The example of acquiring the two bodies of two different charges. One example is glass rod. Example now. Example of electrification. Example of electrification. Glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. Glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. Rubbing the glass rod with silk cloth. Rubbing glass rod with silk cloth. What happens now? The glass rod, when it is rubbed with the silk cloth, glass rod will acquire positive charge. Glass rod becomes positive and silk cloth becomes negative. Means the electrons glass rod will be losing and silk cloth will be gaining. Okay, glass rod will be losing electrons. That is why the charge is becoming positive and silk cloth is gaining. Silk cloth is gaining electrons. Gaining electrons. That is why it is becoming negative. Okay. Now, one thing you have to remember here. One note. Sorry, electricity went off. Class may be closed, but again you join. Okay. As electricity come, I will send a message in the group.